Go dog, I'm riding the road, y'all. I think that I'm back in my bag now. So I need that go, y'all. Got hits when they throwing the fastball. Just too quick for it. Peeling off like the whip orange. Seen they effort this piss poor. I got too much I gotta tend to. Car pain.
I'm gonna go get some coffee because I'm still asleep, so. Okay, so now I can actually talk. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited to be taking you through a week in my life. I'm gonna be in LA for this next week, which is really cool. So as a developer advocate, this job is totally remote, which is amazing. Even though we're based in the New York City area, I can kind of work from anywhere, and I have coworkers in California, coworkers abroad, so that makes it really cool. Let me go to my other room. This week is gonna be really jam-packed with a lot of things. First, I spent last week on vacation in San Diego, so a lot of what I'm gonna be working on today or this week is gonna be getting up to speed on all the work I haven't done for like over a week. So that's the number one thing I'm doing. Another thing I'm doing is something I've never done before, which is, if you don't know, I actually created a Discord channel for my YouTube just so that people can connect with each other and just sort of like get to know each other and things like that. I'm doing my first voice channel chat. So basically I'm gonna be talking with people on my Discord channel and getting to know a bunch of my subscribers. So if you haven't joined my Discord, definitely join it. I'm gonna try to be on it often, but because I'm like managing my YouTube, a full-time job, a chaotic personal life, I'm gonna kind of like leave it up to y'all to like connect with each other. I just want to create a space where people can connect with each other. So yes, that is another thing that I'm up to this week. Basically, it's gonna be a really crazy, chaotic week. I'm gonna try to be productive, but also my whole motto in life, I've realized, is work hard, nap harder. Before it was just work hard and then sacrifice mental health and all those things, but I've decided that I'm not doing that anymore. But before we even get started, I do want to show off my amazing Airbnb that I'm staying at. Can you believe this house is $1 million? It's so good to see you. How are you doing today? Okay guys, so after a pretty tough day of work, pretty long day of work, I'm really glad I'm gonna be eating dinner with my friend, her boyfriend, my boyfriend. We're all gonna be eating small little dinner here. She's bringing takeout, so I'm just gonna set some waters out here so that we can all be hydrated because there's gonna be a heat wave.
I got no drip in my pocket. Must have forgot it, or maybe I already lost it. Don't got enough to go cop it. I'm about to take off like a rocket. Houston, we might have a problem, but that don't mean money will solve them. No, that don't mean money will solve them. Woke up dreaming of the commas, and I got $100 in my wallet. I've been trying to make it, do it for my mama. I ain't with the faking, never with the drama. She said that I'd make it, now I gotta honor that. Replace a Honda with the fucking Model X. Replace my exes with a couple models. She act out of pocket, now it's just a problem. I got it, I got it, I got it, I got it. No, really, don't worry. I don't want no Burberry glowing like the sun, or maybe a little Mercury. Shooting like I'm Bukola, but nobody ever heard of me. You don't got 5 O's when I say word to me. Nah, but really, y'all been acting silly.
Hey everyone, what is up? Okay, so today is Thursday. It is about 7:32. I don't know if you guys can see it. Can you see it? Okay, it's about 7:32 a.m. and so today, basically what I don't know why I always treat this like stand-up. Like, are you guys my team lead? Are you my stakeholders? Do I have to update you? But I'm just gonna give you like a quick rundown of what I'm planning to do today. So today I'm trying to eat healthy because I've been eating horribly for the past like couple weeks. Just gotta be healthy. That's my #1 task. The next thing I want to do today is because I'm gonna be working East Coast hours today, I'm going to try to get done, like do work stuff. So I'm working on a series, writing 3 episodes for this like series that kind of introduces cloud products. So the focus of this series is like cloud security products. So I'm talking about cloud security command center, cloud armor, and then like cloud load balancing. So I'm gonna do a bunch of research on those 3 products and kind of write a script to like introduce it to people on YouTube. So that's another thing I'm doing today. And then the main event for today is I'm doing my Discord channel, finally getting it set up. And yeah, I'm gonna be setting up my Discord channel, creating like really nice like forums for people to chat in, and then I'm gonna be doing my very impromptu voice chat thing for today. So yeah, I have not prepared for that, so I'm also gonna try to prepare for that. So yeah, it's gonna be a jam-packed day. As you saw yesterday, I ate really unhealthy. Today I'm gonna try to eat healthier, and I'm gonna try to have a good day today.
I think that I'm back in my bag now, so I need that go, y'all. Got hits when they throw in the fastball. Just too quick for it, peeling off like the whip.
So I decided to spend some of my morning working outside, and look at this beautiful backyard. It is so nice. Oh, look at the great orange trees and avocado trees. Like, do you think this place is worth $1 million, Andrew?
It's a crazy housing market. Anything can be $1 million these days.
I know. 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Like, I don't see it.
So these lots are actually quite long, and what they're doing is people are buying it and then they're putting a house behind a house. So they're selling 2 houses on 1 lot. This house isn't cut up, which is why you can have this backyard. But if you look right here, the neighbor does have a house in their second half of their backyard. And so I guess people are deciding, or developers are buying homes and then they're splitting it up to get 2 homes for the price of 1.
Yeah, honestly, I think there's some sketchiness is happening. These developers are stealing the American dream from average day people, like, and it's just ridiculous that a house like this is $1 million. I don't know.
We need more housing to be built.
Or we need more like housing regulations. Andrew! God, guys, there's a cat. Andrew! Okay, y'all, so now I'm gonna set up the Discord server, and I know nothing about Discord, so I'm definitely gonna have to watch a video before even starting on the server, but it's about 4 hours until the Discord thing is happening, and what I want to do right now is I want to like set things up, set the server up, take some notes of like popular questions I get asked a lot, and just sort of like aggregate them into like a little spreadsheet. Basically, I just want to prepare for this so I don't look stupid and I don't look dumb, and I feel like if I prepare a little bit for it, that will make me feel a lot less stressed, because now I'm like feeling a little bit anxious and stressed about doing it. Able to create, y'all. Look at that little welcome section. Look at that welcome section. Okay. I'm gonna go take a nap because I am tired and I deserve it after doing all this work. So nervous. Look at my hands are shaking. Oh my goodness.
It's fine. It's fine. Go, start
I hate public speaking.
Go, start.
Hello? Can you guys hear me?